I now invite the Secretariat to present this document and read out the list of nominations for which actual errors notifications have been received and to add some explanations.
The document was dispatched on 22nd July last, and I will now read out the list of nominations for which factual errors notification concerning the related evaluation have been received. Germany, UK, and USA Moravian Church settlements. India, Mohiddams, the Mount burial system of the Ahom dynasty.
ICOMOS has recommended that the further development of the management system should adopt a landscape approach and include additional elements for interpretation and tourism, as well as enhanced community participation.
Although we have duly noted Vietnam and Zambia's support, and furthermore, as Mr. Balsamo announced, the agreed factual errors have been integrated in the statement of outstanding universal value. Thank you.
It is our collective responsibility to safeguard this heritage, which is our bridge between past and the future. I would also like to acknowledge close coordination between the Archaeological Survey of India and State Government of Assam, as the inscribed property is mutually being maintained by both the agencies. Dear delegates, this is a great gift of the people of India, and I would like to thank the Ministry of External Affairs, Permanent Delegation of India to UNESCO, Ministry of Culture, the Archaeological Survey of India, and the State Archaeology Department of Assam for close coordination every step since the site getting listed in the tentative list in 2014 to the submission of the nomination dossier, of the visit of the ICOMOS experts, and a great day that is today. Thank you very much. Congratulations.